All right, here at home, it's just quiet. Fair Park at 72 degrees right now. This is the last time the State Fair of Texas, for the year, of course, will be lit up like this. State Fair of Texas coming to a close tonight, and tomorrow morning we wake up to temperatures that have been pretty close to what we've seen. Low to mid 50s, comfortably cool start to the day, very close to the normal of 55. We'll go down to 56 in Waxahachie, 58 in Hillsboro, 56 in Stephenville, 57 in Mexia. Then on Monday, highs are into the lower 80s. So 80 in Dallas. We've kind of just been slowly climbing. We'll be a degree or two warmer than yesterday. The real warm up doesn't happen until we get to the middle part of the week. That's when we start to see near record high temperatures. And a couple of the things I'm talking about in this weathercast, I noticed they don't sound that impressive. Like when I say a high of 90, it's like, whatever, it's North Texas. But for this late in October, I mean, the record high is 91, set back in 1939. 88 Thursday, 87. You get the idea. That's, weird for this time of the year, right? The normal high 77, down to 75 by this period. The other part of that is the fact that it's dry. It's not weird to say we haven't seen rain in a month in August, but October is a wet month, and we have not seen a drop of rain, measurable rain at DFW in almost a month. About 4 weeks at this point. So through next weekend, how much rain are we expecting? Pretty much nothing. There could be a spotty shower. That's about it. Mainly along the Red River. And this area you see here, this would be just an isolated chance. Very low. Less than 10% of seeing any sort of measurable rain. The last time we saw measurable rain at DFW was September 25th when we saw 1/10 of an inch. Now, remember, we are in October. This is not August. That's why it's so weird. There have only been 2 Octobers that have seen no measurable rain. That was in 1924 and 1975. We typically see several inches of rain in October, and it's normally our second wettest month in a year. So that's why it's so strange. Like I said, is it weird to see no rain from July 25th to August 30th? Not really. I mean, it happens pretty often here. We know that. But October, that's awfully strange. We have worsening drought conditions. It'll be breezy at times this week and low humidity. That means the fire danger is going to stay elevated for the entirety of the work week. That is something to remember because we've seen grass fires. I point to one a couple of days ago in Argyle, right off I-35. One spark is all it's going to take because the drought conditions, again, are bad. We have moderate drought across most of the area, severe to extreme drought along the Red River. That's where it's the worst right now, and even a little bit toward eastern portions of North Texas from Sulphur Springs over to Paris. We need some rain. There are a couple chances in the 14-day, but they're not that great at this point. 57 tonight. Dry, cool, light winds tomorrow, 83. Dry, warm with a light breeze. Take a look at the first 7 of the 14. You'll see the 90, and you'll see middle and upper 80s after that. No rain for the first 7. A couple of chances of rain heading into the second half of the 14-day forecast. Yes, there's a low chance on Halloween and the day after, but if you look, we go all the way through Halloween with a 20% or less chance of rain. So it's certainly not out of the question that this will be the 3rd October ever with 0 measurable rain at DFW. We'll see, but right now the only chance I really have that's respectable would be that 20% chance on Halloween. So we'll have to keep an eye on it, Teresa.
All right, yeah, I'll do a little rain dance. Jesse, thank you.